Hello. Morning, afternoon, and night. So I catch you whatever time you're at. Or Stanley's out. Under his Jeep. Okay. I started my project. I sanded off all that burned up. Just got done painting the firewall. There's my old wiring harness. This is the wiring. Only burned on the end. The rest of it's all good, I guess. Anyways, got that looking good. And that's what it looks like after you take your wiring harness and your heater box. And this is an unusual heater box. It's a total manual. I've never seen one like this before. Anyways, now I'm going to start putting it back together. Anyways, I'll make another video when I start putting... I'm putting an LQ9 in it with a 4L65. So, anyways, I'll get back with you. Anyways, comment, like, and subscribe, share. Have a nice day, have a nice life. Happy tow trucking, Silverados, and all that. Later.